Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here I'm testing something a bit dangerous, maybe perhaps. I'm playing some inspirational music, listening to My Love For You by ESG. I want to show you how a brainstorming game design idea could look like, how chaotic it is, how it can be, how creative it can be. Okay, here I am. Oh, the music suddenly stopped. Okay, well, imagine that music, and then okay, this is how I got this game idea. It's not finished at all. It's just the inspiration stage. So I listened to this song and I saw this image. For me, it looked like a dancing beatbox. So what I'm thinking, oh, everything's going crazy. So what I'm thinking is, should I put the music back on and talk over it or not? Let's try it. Let's try it. Be a bit dangerous. See what happens. Let's hope YouTube recommends the song. Maybe this video can't be monetized, something like that. Something like that, maybe in the background. We can. I hope you can hear me well. I don't know. Can't read these bars. Okay, so let's. Oh, that was the end of the song. Let me open up a Google Jamboard. That's one way to do it. You can also use a whiteboard. Or should I actually maybe start with a whiteboard? Like, as a source of inspiration, that song. My Love For You by ESG. That's in beatbox. Actually, let's collect this in a game design document or an inspirational document kind of thing. And that's why I'm gonna make the Google Jamboard. It's very easy to work with Google Jamboards. I'm not sponsored by Google. Where are they? Okay, here we are. Okay, so game design, what do I call it? Game idea boomboxer. Let's just throw it out there. The name doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be done good enough. I don't know if it's the best name. I don't know if it's, I know it's not the worst name. So here we have, oh wait, let's actually do more like a collage. we can bring this up. Maybe that way, Mala view. Inspirational music. My love for you by ESG. Okay. That's the first inspiration. A dancing boombox. Since it is a dancing boombox, why not use Gencraft to get some cool idea? Do you dare to Gencraft? Here's Gencraft. A dancing boombox. This is how far I got when I got this idea before I just spontaneously started streaming today. Here we have it. They're not really dancing. They don't have legs. With legs and arms. Cartoon, maybe? And exclude bad anatomy. You can select cartoon. In the streets, graffiti. How do you spell it? Graffiti. Graffiti. How do you spell graffiti? How to spell graffiti? 2F1T. Graffiti. Giraffiti. We just added the giraffe there. Graffiti giraffe. Here we go, got some stuff. We're missing a leg here. Here we have some 2 legs. This one looks most sane. This one looks like 1 leg. We have graffiti, but we don't have a giraffe anywhere, I think. There's no giraffe. Maybe this is kind of a giraffe. But this is quite good. Let's try another style. Let's try realistic or mythological. Let's try mythological. Intense eyes. Oh wow. Oh wow. Take a look at these colors. A mythological boombox. I have to play some music because otherwise I will not. My headphones will turn off. I think this one is pretty cool, but it changes the idea quite completely. So we're gonna do something else. Maybe abstract is more steampunk synthwave, maybe? I'm looking for something colorful. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm just gonna give you, here is what I'm listening to. It's my Air playlist. I love this playlist. The music playing now is Air by Feynman. It's a really fresh playlist. Hopeful and nice. So, but I don't dare to show too much of the music. These I like. These aren't dancing though. But I like the style. I'm gonna keep the synthwave style. Long dancing legs and waving arms. Robot arms, maybe. No. It didn't get more arms. Can it be the boom box has arms and the boom box has legs? Maybe the AI that is trained on synth wave isn't ready for legs on boom boxes. This one is good. This one is good. It's not good enough, but it's good. You can see it's ready to walk. You get the shadow here, clearly showing that this is in contact with the ground. We got some angle, we got some joints here, making it possible to bend. And then we got, this kind of looks like a face actually. Got some cute eyes maybe. This is good. I got some interesting text here we can interpret later on. What can I do? Set as profile picture. Oh damn. I have never published anything. Do make a creation prompt probably visible on this profile until it unpublished. Sure, whatever. Your username. Okay. Username, I'm too perfectionist when it comes to usernames. Can never stick to something. This is the beloppstool. It's too long. Balloopistol. Baloo pistol. Success. Okay. That's great. Okay. If you want to see the image, I'm gonna send it in the chat. There it is. Okay. Can you do? Okay. This is not published. This is published. Okay. I'm gonna download this little creature, and then we'll put him up here. We'll put him up here. We'll put him up here. Put him up here. Put him up here. Nope. Didn't work. Google, I need more features. There we go. Okay, so this is the inspiration. Cute boombox. Cute boombox. What's the name of this cute boombox? Submit your name in submissions in the chat. Larry. Warden. Flippy. The time is running out on the submissions, on the names. Timer. I only have 30 seconds to submit names for this, for the main character of the Boomboxer game. 16, 15. Gregory. Patricia. 3, 2, 1. Deal. Okay, we got a couple of submissions in the chat. Now I need to I'm doing this manually. That's why they take too long. And I'm just testing it out to see. Where's the voting? Here, that was first. Let's just make a new one. Call this Boomboxer name. So then a chatbot or something would. What just happened? Chatbot would. I'm selecting the text in the chat and then pasting, but there's nothing here. Oh, they're here, but oh, the text is white. Okay, Larry. Then I will have Warden. We have Flippy. We have Gregory. Got Patricia, and we got Dio. And these should be added as names. Let's clarify what's going on here. Submission. And vote letter. A, B, C, D, E, F. Should it be like this, or should you just... Whatever, for some reason this makes sense to me. So right now there are 0 votes on all of them. Now we will open the timer for voting. The voting starts now. You got 30 seconds to write a letter. Oh, I'm gonna vote A. I'm gonna vote B. I'm gonna vote E. I'm gonna vote F. I'm gonna vote F. I'm gonna vote A. I'm gonna vote C, D, E. How many have? D, B, B, A, F, E, D, C, B, D. Okay, in the chat, that's a lot of letters in the chat. I'm definitely gonna need a chatbot to handle all of this. A got 1, 2, 3 votes. B got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 votes. C got 1, 2 votes. D got 1 vote. E got 1, 2, 3 votes. And the last F got 1, 2, 3 votes. The voting is done, and the winner is Warden. Or do something like this. I don't know. There. Warden is the name. Warden. Can I do something like this? Can I change the font or something on this? I can't, right? Warden. Warden. Okay, what's it gonna be about? What's this gonna be about? Is it about music? Is it about blah blah blah? Submit your ideas on what you do in the game. You get 30 seconds. Oh, this is too little time. Maybe then dance rhythmic timing, or maybe eat songs, or maybe eat dancers. Crap. The time is up. I'm just gonna do something like this. We got dance, rhythmic timing, and eat songs and eat dancers. A, B, C. Okay, are you ready for voting? Go! This is the voting song. The song is Comic by Serious Mo. How much? I think you can play like 20 seconds of a song. Okay, well, you don't get here any more of that. So let's say A, B, 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 C, C, B, 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 C, 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 C. The time is up. And we for A, oh, this should be C. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 votes. And C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can tell which one I like. This is the winner. Eat dancers. Game mechanics. Eat dancers. This is like the start. We got some inspirational music here. We got concept art to work from. We even got a name for some reason. And the game mechanics is eating dancers. So okay, so how do we eat dancers? We need more specifics. This is good. You can go into more specifics before this or after this. Eventually you'll reach some idea. Okay, let's open submissions for, let's learn from my previous mistake and make this one, since this is hard. 2 minutes. Or let's just start with 1 minute. Game mechanics, eating dancers. So Warden is eating dancers. How are we going to do that? So what's the idea? So for this we might need some sketches. And then we would need more time, definitely. So you come here and you walk, and you obviously play music because you're a boombox, and you can select songs by pressing up and down, and then you encounter this dancer, and you have to see what kind of dance they're doing to match the song with the dance. That's my submission. And unfortunately, or that's the only submission. So how do we vote on this now? How do we vote on a couple of images? I would have to set it up like, one way could be doing like this, and here you can do something like that. Give it a bit more space. Okay, now voting begins, but we don't have to start voting because we only have one suggestion. But I'm gonna vote anyway. A. Got 1 vote. Or 4. I vote 4 A's in 1 message. It's just 1. Whoa. Time is out. This one won. This is now the can I copy this one? Let's see what happens if I put this one here. It's very small. Maybe it's good enough. Who cares? You walk. It's a side scroller. It became a side scroller now. Side scroller. You play songs. You select which song to play. The song has to match the dancer that you encounter. It became a side scroller. You select which song to play. The song has to match the dancer that you encounter. That's great. That might be enough, actually. That might be enough to work with. So then this, like this part of the stream would be done. Like it's a decision stream. We have made a game design document, a very simple one for a very small game, obviously, because this is just to show you how the process would work. One example. I'm also gonna find this song on YouTube, so I can link it if you want to listen to it. Can I put it here like as a link? There it is. And I'm putting chat. For some reason, I can't replay the chat on YouTube recorded lives, so you might not be able to see this link in the chat. So maybe I'll put it in the description, or I'll open up this document actually so you can look at it. Everyone with a link can read it. Copy link. Just paste it in the chat as well. And I think I cannot comment while the live is on. So I'm just gonna remember that. Description link. So I don't forget to do that. And then I'm going to, yeah, that was an example of how you make a beautiful game design document for the game Boomboxer, where you play as Warden the Cute Boombox. It's a side scroller where you encounter dancers and you select which song you play by pressing up or down. And if the song matches the dancer that you encounter, you eat the dancer. That's a good start. I don't know if it should be high score. I don't know, like some kind of challenge, or maybe that's just the start. Maybe that's just the start. And as we would go, I would develop something like this, and then next time we'd make new decisions. We would look at this that I created and come with some new ideas. Right. So thanks for watching. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna see if I can run the outro somehow, the new outro. how do I do that in OBS? I think I do something like, okay, can you hear me? Okay, you can hear me. I'm gonna add media source, right? Intro. Restart player with source become active. Use our show blah blah blah. Speed, color, auto. So when I run it, it will play. Did that work? I did not hear that. So I'm gonna check the stream later if you heard something. I saw it should have. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you wanna see what happens next.